all around our world. From manufacturing to transport, today's dynamic commercial industries demand high-performance lubricants, expertly engineered to their needs. BETTANO is at the leading edge in lubrication technology, with high-performance lubricant products developed and optimized to deliver exceptional performance and value, always exceeding customer expectations. We have provided effective solutions for even the most challenging lubrication problems for industries in over 70 countries for more than 4 decades. Throughout our journey, we have forged an unrivaled reputation for efficiency and total reliability, and BETTANO has become one of the foremost brands of automotive lubricants. In 5 continents, our API-approved products cover a wide range of markets with proven performance and customer satisfaction, and our OEM approvals including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Renault, Mack, and MAN trucks with our extensive knowledge and resources. Our expert team of liquid engineers are able to develop market-leading products